Hello everyone! Kumusta na kayo? Samahan niyo ako at magluto tayo ng Pancit Palabok. Let's saute our garlic. Let's put in our onions. After we saute our onions, we can put in our meat. So when I make my palabok, I prepare things. I cook things separately. I prepare the meat separately. I prepare the sauce separately. I also prepare the noodles separately. Then everything comes together at the end. We can now add our pork. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. Some patis for the umami flavor. Atsuete or Annatto. Mix this a little bit and we'll let this simmer for a good 35 minutes or 40 minutes, and then we'll add our shrimp. Okay, so now that that's cooking, we can now prepare our sauce. So with the sauce, I like using chicken broth. There's a few items that I like to use for the sauce. I like using chicken broth, cream of chicken, and the palabok mix. So a lot of people like to use, a lot of people like to make it from scratch, which is using the shrimp and shrimp heads. To me, it doesn't give enough flavor. So through the years that I've been making it, this is the way I've been fixing it. So I'm gonna be boiling a lot of eggs because this palabok is gonna go quick with my kids. Right, so as our meat is still simmering here, we will also prepare our sauce, our palabok sauce. So I've already added 1 can of cream of mushroom to the chicken broth that we put in the pot earlier. So chicken broth is already boiling. So let's go ahead and pour in our second can here. Each one of these cans is 26 ounces, so that's how much I'm putting in. So we'll wait for that to boil, and then we will add our palabok mix. Our eggs are already done. Alright, so in the meantime, while our meat is simmering and while we are waiting for our palabok sauce to boil, we will boil another pot of water so we can also cook our noodles. Our pork here should be coming close to being tender. Actually, it's pretty tender. So now that our meat is tender, we can actually add our shrimp. So let's go ahead and add our shrimp. As many of you guys probably know, for those who don't know, shrimp doesn't take long to cook. So once you add your shrimp, it only takes a few minutes for the shrimp to cook. So now that we are waiting for our palabok sauce to boil, we will now prepare our palabok mix. So I like to use this Mamacita palabok mix. For the amount of sauce that I'm making, I'm using 4 packs. Sometimes I use 5 packs depending on how full I make the pot. So four of these packs should do. So now that we have our palabok mix in our container here, we will fill it with water and just mix it. So since our palabok sauce has started to boil, we can now add our palabok mix into it. So we'll just stir this a little bit and let it boil again, let it simmer again. So the same container that we used to mix the palabok mix, we'll just throw in a few tablespoons of cornstarch. So you want the consistency of the palabok sauce to be like gravy consistency. Not too loose, but not too thick, just right. So let's add water to our cornstarch so we can mix it thoroughly, so when we add it to the palabok mix, it doesn't thicken up. Sometimes when you don't mix it properly, as soon as you add it to the sauce, you get lumps. You don't want lumps. You want to stir this as you're adding, because if you don't stir it, then it'll get lumpy. You don't want lumpy palabok sauce. Move this pot in the front so we can work on our noodles. So when I'm making anything, I think I've mentioned this in my other video. When I'm making any noodle dish, this is my go-to brand, Super Q. So I'll make a pack and a half here. This is plenty of noodles. Once these noodles expand, you will feed a lot of people with this one pack. But for us, we'll make a pack and a half. Because my kids will go through this. They love palabok. Alright, so now that we have our noodles in the pot, we'll just let this boil for a good, I don't know, 7-8 minutes. Then we'll dump this whole pot in a strainer. And that's basically how we prepare our noodles. Alright guys, it's palabok time. Would you like for me to fix you guys a plate? Would you like a $5 palabok? A $10 palabok? Or a $20 palabok? We have all you can eat palabok today. So we've got our noodles here. We'll add some palabok sauce. Alright, our palabok is looking good. We'll put this on a plate. This is a big plate. Ooh la la. So now that we have our noodles and palabok sauce, we'll now add our meat. Oh yeah. This is where the hard-boiled egg comes. A little bit of Chicharron. A little bit of black pepper. Some fried garlic, little bit of scallion, and a lemon right on top. How about some palabok for you guys? Of course, we can't end our day without trying our palabok that we've been working hard on. I've got some patis if we need it, but I don't think we'll need it. My wife and kids are not home yet. They requested for me to make this before they left. They went to the mall. So they're on their way home now. So I'm eating in peace. The perfect bite. Amazing. I'll see you guys on the next one, okay?